How to change language on WhatsApp Wave. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to click on Windows search icon on bottom left and search for WhatsApp if you have downloaded, or else you can also open on browser. Now moving forward, click on profile icon, settings icon which is simply our profile. And now this menu appears, where on the general page, you'll get language option. Currently it has been set to default. Click on the arrow and every language will open on this menu. You can scroll down and choose the convenience language according to your choice and tap on it or click on that language and then set. Click on OK button and WhatsApp will need to restart to apply new language. So once done, you will successfully change language on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.